Hi, I'm Joanna. I taught the Back to Basics level where we worked on building patterns. We built on what Kyle taught, and we worked on what Marie and Todd taught, and we went through and we kept those same concepts, and then we built it on to adding a little bit of variation to our basic patterns, as well as adding a starter step. So we worked on our basic whip, making sure that we're catching the follower in front of us, letting them back into the connection. As we step across, we worked on making sure that we're opening this whole door and not trying to just step through so that we lose our connection with our partner and get our partner ahead of us. And we added from 4 on a whip, we added a single outside turn. So I'm going to go and just open my frame here. I'm going to take and send my partner down and then anchor out. I'm not giving that follower any extra energy. I'm just giving them the direction and the rotation. I'm not sending them down. I'm not shooting them across. I'm just taking it to where my normal anchor connection would have been. We went through there, and then we worked on a starter step. So a lot of times we start this dance with a triple rhythm. So usually we get a nice sway going to whatever the music's happening. And then we'll take and we'll go triple step. I need to go as a leader and make sure I take that follower with me. A lot of times we leave our follower back and they don't come with us. So I need to make sure my follower comes with me. And then we're both doing an anchor step where the leader is going to then open out onto the rail so that the follower has the slot, and then I'm going to send them out in a left side pass, but from a closed position. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So I want to make sure that, again, I'm taking the follower with me, and then I'm actually stepping to give that follower a nice one to start the momentum, and I'm not just using my arms to pull my follower. I'm using my full body to release them into a left side pass so that I can continue dancing. Thank you.